Good morning. I am Anuj Singhal, and this is your pre-market setup. Well, what a difference a day makes, or what a difference overnight cues make. Yesterday, it looked like the market had made a bottom and moved on. But look, I mean, yesterday was all about short covering. If you heard me at 3 p.m. as well yesterday, the profile of stocks was telling you that it was essentially a short covering move because the stocks that contributed the most had fallen, barring Reliance, had fallen about 15 to 20% preceding that short covering. So a short covering move happened. This morning, the SGX Nifty is indicating a big gap down because of what happened with crude and what happened with Asian markets. And the sense you get is that yesterday's low of 7336 now becomes sacrosanct. As of now, you would want to believe that the market may still want to respect that. I mean, if the market has to bounce back, it has to hold that low of 7336. If it makes a lower low, then you're asking for trouble. In fact, the F&O data is so interesting. In the cash market, there's been selling from FIIs and buying from DIIs, and way more buying by DIIs than selling by FIIs, which is actually good news for the bulls. But if you look at the F&O data, there's equal number of call and put buying. What worries me is the strikes of put buying, 6,900 and thereabouts, which is telling you that the smart money is, as of now, not ruling out a possibility of a mayhem kind of scenario in the large caps itself. That I think is the most worrying sign. That's something to watch out for in trade. So my thesis about market is very simple. If it doesn't hold 7336 and starts to seek lower levels, then this is a market which is going to again break down. And regardless of what happens to the Nifty, the small caps are in for butchering. All rallies should be used to exit positions. Yesterday, what we saw was complete reversal of prudence. Yesterday, we saw so many positions again being built up in a lot of mid-cap stocks. This is not the market in which you want to build mid-cap positions. This is a market in which you want to exit mid-cap positions. This is a market in which you want to create a pool of cash which you can use when the market mayhem is over or is getting near being over. The sense you get is that market is in for some more rough times. This is not the kind of market which is will just bottom out on a day. For bottom to happen, this is a market which will spend considerable period of time at a particular mark, and that has to happen. So let's see. Today could be a bit of a bad day, at least in the first half.